Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a sleek and powerful all-in-one kitchen upgrade, the Midea Flexify Pro 10+4 toaster oven air fryer combo. Right away, this appliance stands out with its elegant French door design. It not only looks premium on your countertop but also makes access super convenient, especially when you're handling larger dishes. And speaking of size, the 26.4 quart capacity gives you plenty of room to cook for the whole family, from large pizzas to multiple trays of food. Now let's talk about what makes this oven truly different: the Graphene Juicy-Lock cooking technology. This advanced heating system is designed to lock in moisture while delivering a crispy outer layer. So your food stays juicy on the inside while achieving that perfect golden finish on the outside. Performance-wise, the 450 degrees Fahrenheit flash air fry feature is a big highlight. It rapidly circulates hot air at high temperatures, giving you faster cooking times and crispier results compared to traditional ovens. Whether it's fries, chicken, or snacks, you get that air-fried texture with less oil. The 10+4 functionality means you're getting a wide range of cooking modes, including air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, and more, plus additional smart features that enhance flexibility. It's designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances, saving both space and effort. Another great aspect is its even heat distribution. The internal design ensures that your food cooks uniformly, reducing the chances of undercooked or overcooked spots. This is especially useful when baking or roasting. The stainless steel build adds durability and a modern aesthetic, while the intuitive control panel makes it easy to navigate through settings. Despite its advanced features, it remains user-friendly for both beginners and experienced cooks. Cleaning is also straightforward, with removable trays and easy-to-maintain surfaces. So if you're looking for a stylish, high-capacity, and feature-packed countertop oven that delivers both performance and convenience, the Midea Flexify Pro is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest reviews like this.